Chapter 6, Importance of Oceans. In the previous standard, we have studied the lithosphere and hydrosphere of the Earth. The proportion of land and water on Earth and also the major ocean. Note the area of each ocean given in the following table. Hydrosphere include all the water bodies that exist on the Earth. It this cover all the ocean, sea, river and their tributaries, lake, reservoir, and also groundwater. Of the total global water, 97.7% is contained in ocean. Do you know? We always see the living world around us. There is considerably there is considerable diversity in the living world on land. The living world in hydrosphere is many times greater than the living world on land, and it is much greater diversity. Do it yourself. Use the following ingredient: 1 ball of rice flakes pohe, 1 teaspoon oil, 1 tomato and a small onion diced, chili powder to taste. Mix all the ingredient well. Give the mixture to all your friend and ask them to taste it. Now add some salt to the mixture and taste it again. Point 1. What difference do you notice in the dish you tasted earlier or and later? What do you think made the dish really tasty? For what other purpose do you use the last ingredient at home? Discuss the source of this ingredient. Explanation. Do it yourself. Take some water in a steel dish. It is better if the water is from borewell. Keep the water in direct sunlight. Do not remove the dish until all the water get evaporated. Observe the dish after the water is evaporated completely. What do you see? Taste of substance in the dish. Explanation. You must have noticed that after the water evaporated completely, a whitish layer is left in the dish. If you taste it, you will find that it is salty. You will realize that these are the salt in the water. In drinking water, the proportion of salt is quite low. Water from the ocean and sea has greater amount of salt. Hence, it is taste salt. Hence, it tastes salty. Think a little. Where does the water flowing through the river go in the end? Are there volcanic eruptions in the sea? Explanation. The abundant aquatic life in ocean, from the microscopic plankton to huge whale, different type of living thing are found in the ocean. Once they died, they remain accumulated in ocean. All river flowing from mountain and hilly areas finally meet the ocean. Sediments from eroded land, trees, and bushes flowing with the water, dead remains, etc. enter the ocean with this river water. The both above process, the dead remains decompose, released various minerals and salt in the ocean water. Volcanic eruption occur on land. Similarly, volcanic eruption take place in the ocean as well. See figure 6.3. During volcanic eruption, different minerals, acids, salt, gases are added to water. The This increases the level of salt and minerals in ocean water. Due to continuous evaporation of oceanic water, the proportion of salt increases. All these things make the ocean water salty. The salinity of ocean water is different to at different place. Salinity is expressed in terms of miles particle per thousand. The average salinity of oceanic water is 35 degree miles. The Dead Sea is known to have the maximum salinity. Its salinity is 332. We obtain salt from salty water. Salt as a substance is obtained by constructing salt pan in coastal areas. See figure 6.4. Salt is an item in our diet. Many minerals like phosphate, sulfate, iodine, etc. are also obtained from the sea. We depend on ocean to some extent. Can you tell? See figure 6.5 and answer the following question. Question 1. What item are included in our diet? Question 2. Which item amongst those shown come under non-vegetarian food? Question 3. Which of these are prepared from aquatic creatures? Explanation. Sorry, do it yourself. The above table record the maximum and minimum temperature of some place located between 30 degree to 40 degree north parallel. Study the table as and do as directed. Explanation. Many of us include fish in our diet. We get fish from river, lakes and salt and seas. The proportion of fish in seas is much greater than those in river and lakes. Catching marine animal is a larger scale activity the world over. It is one of the ancient occupation of human being. Though food is the major purpose of this activity, marine animals are also used for production of fertilizers, pharmaceuticals, and also in research. In India, people mainly consume prawn, kolambi, clam, tisri, crab, seerfish, surmai, mackerel, bangda, pomfret, paplet, Indian shark, mori, Indian salmon, ravas, etc. Many other type of marine animal are consumed in different part of the world. The life of people from countries that have coastline largely depend on sea, especially if there are few other occupations. Seychelles, Mauritius, Maldives, etc. are some of these. Seychelles, Mauritius, Maldives, etc. are some of these. The above table calculate point 1 calculate the difference between mean and maximum temperature and write it in last column. Point 2, highlight the rows of places having a range of temperature over 10 degrees Celsius with red color. Color other row in blue. Find the location of these places from an atlas. Which places are closer to ocean? Tell whether the range of temperature at these places is less or more. What might be the main reason leading to difference in temperature range of different places? In which thermal zone are all these places located? Which places are far away from ocean? Do those places have greater or smaller temperature range? Mention the place have the smallest and the greatest temperature ranges. Draw the graph of. You must have realized from the activity that there is difference in temperature of different place on the earth. Similarly, there is difference in maximum and minimum temperature. This difference is less in coastal region nearness to the sea, while it is more in region far from the sea, continentality. This means that in region close to ocean, sea and large reservoir, there is not much of differences in temperature throughout the day. This means that in region close to ocean, sea and large reservoir, there is not much of differences in temperature throughout the day. The main reason of this is mixing of vapor released through evaporation of water from these water bodies into air. These vapor in the air absorbs and stores the heat released from the land. Hence, temperature in coastal areas remains equable. You have studied that equatorial region receive near perpendicular sun rays. As a result, these areas get more heat, whereas the polar region receive highly slant rays. The differential heat creates imbalance in temperature of air in different part. This lead to formation of belt of high and low pressure on earth. Wind blow due to pressure difference in these belt. These wind are called planetary wind. These wind move the oceanic water in the form of currents. The currents are warm current or cold current. Warm current move towards cold region and cold current move towards warm region. This mean this mean ocean current moves from equatorial region to polar region and from polar region to equatorial region. This lead to redistribution of heat on the earth. The cold current moving towards equatorial region makes the temperature of coastal area in the zone milder, whereas the warm current coming in the colder region cause temperature in the coastal areas to rise. We have seen in figure 5.6. The ocean act as a controller of global temperature in two ways described above. The ocean have vast expanse, therefore huge amount of vapor get created. This process goes on continuously. From these vapor, the earth get rainfall. Ocean are source of rain. The rainwater flows through the river and stream and finally flow back into ocean. This makes it clear that in the beginning and the end of water cycle take place in the ocean. Do you know? As the region close to sea have equable climate, the density of population is high in this area. The coastal region have always attracted man due to its climate, abundance of food and various products obtained from the sea. Do you know in future in future it is possible to generate electricity with the help of oceanic wave and tide. This is possible to convert the saline ocean water into potable drinking water. This will reduce the scarcity of drinking water to some extent. The drinking water in the city of Dubai in United Arab Emirates is being made available through this method. Mangrove forest, figure 6.6. In the swampy area of sea coast and in the area of estuaries, the soil of saline and climate humid in such areas. Mangrove forest with Tiwari and Sandry grow well. The wood of mangrove trees is light and oily. It lasts longer. It is used as fuel and also for shipbuilding. Mangrove forests protect coastal areas from huge waves. These forests also protect the biodiversity in the coastal area. If these forests are located near coastal town, they are called lungs of the town. Find out. Collect information about how a natural pearl is formed, which ocean organism develop it, in which ocean is it found in India. Ocean and resources. We have seen earlier that we obtain salt, fish, shell and other products from sea. Beside these, we get minerals like iron, lead, cobalt, sodium, manganese, chromium, zinc, etc. from the ocean floor. We also get mineral oil and natural gas. We get precious item like pearls, corals, or ornamental like shell, as also medicinal plant from seas. Oceanic transport. Ocean have provided us the most economic option for transportation. Large scale transportation of goods is carried out with the help of ship, travelers, boat, etc. International trade is carried out on a large scale using waterways. Countries like Spain, Norway, Japan have good coastline due to good transport by ocean route. These coast countries have gained importance. Ocean current are quite important in water transport. As far as possible, water transport is carried out along ocean current. They accelerate the speed of ship and also save fuel to considerable extent. Water transport is conducted on much higher scale as compared to other mode of transport. Hence, for transport of bulky material like coal, crude oil, raw material, metallic, minerals, food grains, etc., water transport is given preference. Issue related to ocean. About 70.8% of surface of the earth is occupied by water. In order to fulfill his requirement, man undertakes many activities. These lead to production of huge amount of different type of waste. These waste material cause pollution. Pollution of oceanic water is major and serious issue that have developed in recent time. Oil spill. Point 2. Release the waste product in the coastal cities into the seas. Point 3. Material throughout from ships. Point 4. Exploitative fishing. Point 5. Cutting of mangrove forest in coastal areas. Point 6. Disaster caused by water mines. Point 7. Sewage release by industries and cities. Point 8. Excavations carried out in the seas. All the things listed above lead to large scale pollution of oceanic water. Some coastal regions are proving to be death trap for aquatic animals. As a result, many aquatic animals are under the threat of being extinct. Example, the blue whale, some type of sea turtle, dolphins, etc. Always remember, a large proportion of surface of the earth is occupied by water. Most of the water is salty. The living world in the salty water is suffering from pollution caused by man. We must avoid this. Can you do this? Samir and Sania is playing a game of showing the waterways on a map of the world. Their route are going in opposite direction. One is flowing in eastern route while other is taking that takes the west. Point 1, from Mumbai port, some goods are to be taken to London in UK. On a map of the world show at least two such routes with pencil. Write down the name of port of different nation that fall in the route followed by each. Number 1, port on the route followed by Samir. Number 2, port on the route followed by Sania. Point 2, which of the route you feel is shorter, that of Samir's or Sania's? Which ocean does which ocean does one have to pass through if one flows Samir's route and Sania's route? What are Panama's and Suez? For what purpose were they constructed? Have these built used have these been used in Samir and Sania's route? Find if there can be any route other than the one that you have marked. What will you do? Different marine animals like blue whale, turtle, starfish, etc. appear before you in your dream and complain to you. They say you human are not allowing us to live properly. You throw the waste chemical that you do not want into our house. The youngsters in our house are falling ill due to this. Some are getting killed. You must think about this situation and remove the pollution from the sea. Now tell what you will do. Think a little what would have happened if man had not discovered sea route. What will you do? You live near Mumbai city. In your farm, you have produced 1,000 quintal of rice. There is good demand for it in the overseas market than local market. A merchant from South Africa is ready to purchase this rice at good price, but he want to import to Cape Town port within 4 months. Tell what you will do as a good trader. Always remember the proportion of water being greater than that of land. The earth is known to as the water planet. Water in any form is a boon for living world of all planet known to man. The earth is only one which has living world. Southern Ocean. The water bodies that extend from 60-degree south parallel to coast of Atlantic continent is named as Southern Ocean. I can do this. Tell me item that can be obtained from ocean. Tell me importance of ocean. Tell me issue related to ocean. Thank you.